In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create projects in Asana. By the end, you'll know exactly how to sign in, start a new project, pick the right setup, and get it ready for your team. First, open the Asana login page. On the sign-in screen, choose Continue with Google. This connects your Google account so you don't have to remember another password. Select the Google account that's linked to your work in Asana and complete the sign-in. If your organization uses a different sign-in method, that's fine. Just follow the option your account supports and you'll land on your Asana home screen. Once you're in, look to the top bar for the Quick Add button, the plus icon. Click that, and from the drop-down, choose Project. This is the fastest way to start something new without hunting through menus. Now you'll see your creation options. You can build from scratch if you want a totally custom setup, or you can choose a pre-built workflow to save time. For this walkthrough, let's use a template. Templates are great because they come with recommended sections, tasks, and settings tailored to common workflows. Select a template that matches your needs and open it to preview the structure. If it looks right, proceed. Give your project a clear descriptive name. Aim for something action-oriented that makes the purpose obvious at a glance. Adding a date, quarter, or team name can help with search and reporting later. Next, set the privacy and choose the correct workspace or team. Privacy controls who can see and collaborate on the project. You can keep it private while you draft it, make it visible to a specific team, or open it to your organization depending on your plan and policies. Be sure you're creating the project in the right workspace or team so it shows up where your colleagues expect to find it. When everything looks good, click Create Project. Asana will spin up the project automatically. Give it a moment to load. Templates with more sections and tasks can take a few extra seconds. Once it opens, you'll see the layout, sections, and any sample tasks included by the template, ready for you to adjust. That's the entire process. Sign in, use the Quick Add button, select Project, pick a template or start from scratch, name it clearly, set privacy in the right workspace, and create it. You're all set to begin planning, assigning tasks, and tracking progress. If you found this helpful, follow along for more Asana tips to help you work smarter and stay organized.